Hey everyone, you're welcome to my Galadi TV. Now, if you're just joining in, please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels and turn on your notification bell to receive more updates from this channel. Now, I'm going to be teaching you one of the vital secrets on how to upload your video right on YouTube to gain more views and more views. So let's get it. This is the YouTube homepage on my Chrome. Now, I'm trying to upload a video on YouTube. This is actually a short. Now, but I'm using my homepage in order to upload it. Let's get it. So this is the video I am about to upload, and this is the YouTube homepage. So these are my descriptions I've added on the video. I'm done with my descriptions, and I'm done with my descriptions now. I've added my thumbnail, I've put my visibility. Now please endeavor to put your visibility on public. It's very important so that your videos get enough view. Please do not make that mistake of putting it on the private or the unlisted. So I put my videos on the public. Now I don't have any related videos, so I'm not going to use related videos. Now playlist, I don't have any playlist for now, so I'm not going to use a playlist. And they say this video is set to either for kids or not for kids, so I'm going to use not for kids. And the other show more. For it said, is this video a paid subscription? No. I put the no plus. And then other signs, automatic chapters, tick. Featured places, tick. Automatic concept, tick. Then the tags, I don't have any tags, so that's going to be empty. Now the languages, I use English, that's video select language, no more English. And for recording data and location, none. Licenses, tick. Now short remixing, I allow video and audio remixing. Now for categories, I use people and blog. Now for comments, I do my comment section, and this is the way to upload your video. Now when you're done with everything, you press publish and it's done. That's a very good way to upload your video, and it gives your video the higher reach that it's supposed to get.